back to another video. Welcome back to you new users. Is your boy BeDistinct. I have a G35. I mod it, do videos, and if you find any of these videos helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Today we are going to be doing flybys. If you didn't watch the last video, we installed some 1320 performance resonated test pipes on the G35. I only revved it, did a cold startup. If you want to learn anything about the install or anything how it sounds cold startup, go ahead, check that video out, or click the I here on the top section here below. But today we are doing flybys with the car, hearing it on the road, freaking zooming by. I'm excited to see how it sounds. I've already driven it, but I want to see how it sounds on camera, on video. And we're also going to be doing a ride along. I'm going to show you guys inside the car with my GoPro so you guys can see how it sounds inside, drone, with the windows down, with the windows up, all that sort of features. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get on with the day. Alright guys, welcome. We are in an undisclosed location. We got Miles going that way, Miles going that way. Special guest Sergeant Zilla helping me film today. Alright, so we're going to be doing some flybys for you guys with the new test pipes on and see how it sounds. So he's going to stay here in the middle and I'm going to do a couple runs, and let me know down in the comment section below how it sounds.
Dude, that thing sounds amazing.
Yeah, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, sick.
Do a quick rev. Ooh, that thing sounds amazing, dude.
Alright guys, so there you have it, a couple flyby runs, a couple video shots from the back, a couple videos from the front. I try to give you guys as many angles as possible. Also shout out to Janzilla, he's in the back, for putting that 360 camera in the back of my car. Freaking insane. If you want to see even better clips of his car shooting flames, it's freaking sick. Go ahead, go to this IG down below, make sure to give him a follow, show him some love. He just crossed 10K, so congratulations. So now I'm gonna be putting my GoPro on and we're just gonna be driving, cruising around, just normal driving, because you're not always freaking speeding, right? So I'm gonna show you normal driving, see how it sounds, drone, with the windows up, windows down, all that sorts of features. I'm trying to give you as much info as possible on this so you guys can make the right decision. But without further ado, let's get in the car, put on the GoPro, and do some normal driving. Look at that shit, guys. That shit look like it was about to deploy a damn parachute. That shit's so sick. So that's the 360 camera that he has, and it's a freaking crazy ass angle. You have the angle right there on your phone?
Yeah, look at that right there.
Look at that angle. So that's
live.
That's live right now. That's the angle we're getting.
That's us.
That's us. He can literally record everything around this. I mean, that's what a 360 camera is, but
look how cute we are right here.
Hey, show him the around the world thing.
Oh yeah, the around the world. Look at that. He's on the world.
Yo, that is sick.
And now if you want the world to drive around him.
Ooh. Yo, I don't know if you guys can hear those paws, but yo, that's sick. Even at 3 RPMs, usually, at least in my auto, I had to rev up to freaking 4K.
All the way through.
Would you say this is loud or like
You're asking the wrong person.
Okay, see, his car is stupid loud, So this is probably freaking library mode for him, but
This ain't that bad.
it's not bad.
Honestly,
like we can have a normal conversation, right?
Yeah, honestly, it really it's really not that bad. Honestly.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
We could still have a conversation. I don't have to scream or anything. And like I've seen some cars where you literally have to scream for the other person to hear you, but this is pretty chill.
Yeah, it's like as long as you're driving at low RPMs, like
Yeah.
it's chill. Like if you want to daily it,
Right.
fine. It's not gonna bother you. You can hear like everything of the car.
Yeah. You can still listen to the engine as before, and you can hear the exhaust as well. So it's not bad. I'm chilling. You see right there, you got a little bit of drone, but once you build up, look. Pretty nice. It has a little bit of rasp compared to before, but nothing too dramatic, nothing that will make you go like, fuck, this just ass. Like it's actually a perfect amount of rasp. Not too bad.
Honestly, I'm surprised at how good it sounds. It's a nice deep volume.
Yeah, it's kind of deep, huh?
It's not like the other ones where it like streams rasp, you know?
And then if you like go full throttle, you guys heard it with